Hey, in this video we'll learn how you can create and configure the Jira integration on Harness SEI using an Atlassian API Key. First of all, go to integrations under the data settings at the account level scope and locate the Jira integration tile under the automated integrations panel under available integrations tab. Go ahead and click on install. The first step is for you to select the type of your Jira software, whether it is a cloud or data center. For this demo, I'll go ahead with Jira Software Cloud. Now, SI can connect with Jira either using the Jira Connect tab that is available on the Atlassian marketplace or using a Jira API token. For this demo, I'll go ahead and use a API key from Atlassian to create this integration. Let's give the integration the name. Let's call it Jira API Key Demo. You can also add descriptions and tags. This is useful in case you have multiple Jira integrations and you also want to identify them correctly. So you can specify some specific descriptions and tags to multiple Jira integrations. The Jira URL is essentially the Atlassian URL for your Atlassian account. So let me just quickly go ahead and add that. The email address is essentially the username of your Atlassian account. That is the email address that you use to access your Atlassian account. So I'll quickly go ahead and add that. And then you can add the API key that you generated for your Atlassian account. In case you are not aware on how you can generate one, you can check out the documentation. There is a backlink to the documentation of Atlassian, which can help you generate the API key for your Atlassian account. Well, I have already generated an API key, so I'll quickly go ahead and paste that. Under the advanced configuration, you can specify a JQL query. Now, this is an optional field, but in case you have a very large set of data in Jira account and you essentially don't want to ingest all of it, you can specify a JQL query, and then the integration will ideally ingest only those set of issues that are retrieved as part of that JQL query. Also, in case you don't want to ingest some of the sensitive fields, which include summary, descriptions, and comments as part of this integration, you can go ahead and click on these checkboxes. And this will essentially prevent this integration from ingesting this set of data from your Jira account. The next step is to click on validate connection. Now what this will do is run the pre-flight checks and check if the token has the right permissions to create this integration. And once the checks are successful, the integration will be created. And as you can see, the integration has been created and we have the ID as 208. Once I click on done, I can view this integration under my Your Integrations tab. Now the current integration status is warning, and that is because no ingestion job has been successfully completed as part of this integration. But once the ingestion jobs are scheduled, as you can see that we already have a pending ingestion job that is scheduled for us. The status is currently on pending. And once this job is successful, the health status of this integration will automatically be updated. Now, as you can see under the integration configuration, we have tabs for custom field mapping and hygiene rules. Refer to this other video on the SEI playlist where we have covered how you can set up hygiene rules and custom field mappings in detail. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out the documentation to learn more about how you can set up this integration. And in case you have any queries, feel free to reach out to us on Harness Support. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.